Everybody loves Canva. It makes running an online business so much easier in so many ways. But now that they have a native website builder, a lot of creators and entrepreneurs are asking, should I use it to build my website? Well, that depends. Let's talk about what kinds of websites Canva is great for and where it might not be the best fit. Canva launched their website builder back in 2022, and at first it was super basic, but you know Canva, they're always improving and always adding new features. So now you can do a lot more. You can design your entire website through Canva, buy a custom domain and host it directly through Canva. You can add a navigation menu, use their AI tools for images and videos, embed contact forms, polls, and quizzes, and even connect with some third party apps like Google Workspace and MailChimp. It's great for simple landing pages, portfolios, event pages, and even things like a digital business card. But here's the thing, if your goal is to sell digital products, run a membership site, or grow any kind of content driven business, like most of you here probably are, Canva websites still has some pretty big limitations. The first of them being that there's no straightforward way to sell digital products or really any kind of exclusive content. You'd need to link out to another platform to process payments and deliver your content, which isn't an ideal customer experience. There's also no way to add membership functionality to your Canva website. So if you want to add a member login to your site, sell paid subscriber access to your community or private content, there's no current way to do that, which is a pretty big limitation if you're building a subscription-based business. There's also no way to create a blog on a Canva website because they're only one-page websites, which is great for certain use cases, but not for a blog. And lastly, you can't add custom code to a Canva website. If you're just starting out, this might not be on your radar yet, but it's very likely that you'll come across a situation where you need to add custom code to your site, whether it's installing Google Analytics or Tag Manager, integrating with your email marketing platform, adding a Facebook pixel for retargeting ads, or installing membership functionality. There are countless reasons why it's really, really important to be able to add custom code to your website. So while Canva websites are a great tool for tons of different use cases, they probably aren't the best fit for businesses that rely on selling digital products or memberships directly on their website. In that case, you'd probably want to use something like Squarespace or WordPress paired with MemberSpace. If you have any questions about selling content from your website, let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on launching and growing your website. Thanks for watching.